In breaking news that is just coming in, armed assailants fired shots at a criminal inside the court premises and the police suspect personal enmity here. The injured is in fact critical. He's been shifted to the Ambedkar Hospital, and for more, Aishwarya is with us on the phone line. Now Aishwarya, clearly this raises some very serious questions about security. How could this assailant, carry weapons inside the court?
Well, that's absolutely correct, because the Rohini court is said to be actually a very well protected court, placed right within the residential complex all around, and a school, a public school, just 20 meters right opposite to where this shootout took place, has raised serious questions, because both of these assailants entered this very Rohini court with arms and ammunition and shot at the criminal Naveen in broad daylight. They actually shot at the police personnel, constable rather, who was escorting him, because Naveen had to be produced in this very court. But then both of these assailants entered this Rohini court with it's being said it was a country-made revolver, and first they shot at the constable who was escorting them, and then the second shot was right at Naveen, which killed him. And that is what the questions are being raised now, that why wasn't there proper security arrangement, keeping in mind when such criminals are being produced in this court, there should be a high level of security. Also keeping in mind that this court is right in the center of the residential complexes and a public school right opposite to it. This is what raises eyebrows seriously, because this is a very sensitive and a very important judicial institution, and thus the Delhi Police forensic team came down here just around 15 minutes ago. They have looked into the matter. They were trying to see what really happened at this point. But at the end of the day, the Delhi Police has nabbed two of those people who came, out of which one is said to be the person who shot at the constable and then killed Naveen.
What you can see on your screens right now is the Delhi Police forensic team working right within the premises of the Rohini court. That's right, that's where in broad daylight a shootout took place. A criminal or a culprit called Naveen, who was being produced, well protected by Delhi Police, was shot at by unknown assailants, out of whom two have been nabbed. But at the end of the day, they were successful in killing him. That is what they intended, and that's what they have been able to do. This took place right within the premises of Rohini court. That's what you could see on your screens right now. The Delhi Police forensic team trying to figure it out, what really happened, how it really happened, because the question still remains. Inside this very well protected Rohini court, these two unknown assailants enter with arms and ammunition. This has raised serious questions on how protected are these judicial institutions, especially in the national capital. And that too, this very Rohini court, if Arjun could just pan the camera across completely 180 degrees, there is a private school right opposite to the road, not even 20 meters away, and right opposite to that, a shootout takes place. So this raises serious questions on security arrangements, especially in such sensitive and important areas within the national capital. But as of now, Delhi Police has nabbed two of those people who had shot on Naveen, who has already been killed in the shootout. Delhi Police say that they are trying to look out, and they suspect that it could be a personal enmity. But then at the end of the day, he was in Delhi Police custody, and he was being protected by Delhi Police as he was being produced in this very Rohini court right behind us. With video journalist Arjun Rawat, Aishwarya Kapoor for Times Now.